and today I've got something a bit different for you. So, I did a video project in school titled Is God an Alien for RS, and I didn't really want to show it in class to the whole class because that would have been bad. So, I'm going to share it to the internet instead, which is even more people, but I don't get to watch the reactions, which is even better. So, here's the video project, and enjoy it. So after taking lots of my time to research on Wikipedia, I've came out with two things we do need to cover. God and aliens. So yeah, let's start off with God. In the past hundreds and hundreds of years, there's been so many gods, from Greek gods, religious gods, and stuff like that. But one religion is Christianity. And yeah, the God is just God. But no one actually knows who God is. No one knows what he looks like, no one even knows what species he is. No one even knows if he's man or woman. It's always been a mystery, but today we're going to try and solve that mystery. So, what we have gathered from the times that people have been talking about God and other religions is that he seems to be some sort of overseer. Now, obviously there's the saying, you can't be in two places at once, and that is obviously true, but for some reason God can look down on as many people as he wants. So obviously God can do some sort of ability where he can look around people and he can go to different places. So that obviously means he is not a human or anything we know on this planet. And to look down at people, you would need a pretty high view, which leads to him being an alien. Well, we haven't really figured that out yet, but let's keep going. So we've got to the point where he is in space, so let's move on to aliens. One of the things that looks at aliens is definitely media. We have movies, TV shows, comics, lots of different things that prove aliens to be these man-eating creatures. And God is anything but that. But then again, we've never actually seen real-life aliens, so we do not know what aliens' behaviour would be. Remember, space is infinite, so obviously there may be a really high chance of aliens existing in other planets or galaxies that we haven't discovered yet. Another thing to back up this theory is, in recent years there's been loads of reports of aliens dating back from the 1950s, and if you look at these videos even on YouTube, you'll see that these cannot be staged. A lot of them are filmed in maybe clearances or like highways, stuff like that would be really dangerous to try and perform. And so yeah, these are another things to back up the theory of aliens existing, so which means this is getting closer to the answer. So we have two existing things now. We have God being in space and aliens apparently existing, which could lead to the fact that God may be an alien. So we have come up with an answer, but this seems to be a very vague answer. There's a possibility that God is an alien. Just remember, God is apparently always looking over people on the earth. And if people say that something can happen to them that God did, how come God wasn't there when it happened? That's pretty weird. So God might be an alien, we just don't see him. He may be some sort of weird roaming soul or something like that. We do not know. Apparently, I think it's upon opinion. But obviously, we have tried to answer the question and we've came up with a very vague answer. So yeah, this is my school project. If you did enjoy this video project and want to see more embarrassing stuff, leave a comment and I will see you